I think my secret ingredient would be working with a very qualified and team that's built up experience over the last 10 years, and I can trust them whenever they basically give us suggestions. So that's a secret ingredient. The other one is to optimize the website correctly for content. And then the main one, I would say the most important, is to optimize it according to what you think the users would look for and not make changes based on getting rankings. So that's what I think my biggest change I would do, is to write content based on what users would want and what users need. So you create a solution for what the users are looking for, and in doing that, you can get their details in order to sell your services or products to them. So creating content for search engines with keyword stuffing doesn't really work anymore. People might come to the page, but then they're frustrated because they're not finding what they want and they just leave. And that also then impacts your online visibility and also your brand. People then pick up your brand as something that's not very good.